Hello friends, welcome. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today's video is about these jumbo box braids. I have the need for protective style. This is a beginner's friendly tool. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you.
I am starting with a stretch here. If you are interested, I will leave a video on how I stretch my hair on the description box below. I parted my hair vertically into 3 sections and parted equally according to the number I want.
Give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that good, good loving. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that good, good loving. Give me that.
I use a hairband rather than a rubber band. For me, there's no particular reason. That's just what I have on hand. Make sure you did not secure too tight because you will be crocheting hair braiding in.
Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that good, good loving. Give me that. 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 Give me that.
I went ahead and finished the rest of the camera. 10 braids total is all I want. 2 in the back, 4 in the middle, and 4 in the front. I got this kinky hair from Amazon. There has 6 in the bag. I will link below if I can find it on the description box below. What I like about this hair is it somehow come separated, which makes my life easier. I picked 4 braids for the main braid and 2 for the third one. I will quickly show you how I crochet it here and later slow down the video so you can see how I do it in the front of my head.
It's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise. Oh, there's so many things that I wanna do. Do you? Can you visualize? It's hard to say all the things I won't do, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I won't do. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. When I think about you, I feel la. When I think about you, I want la. When I think about you, I feel la. When I think about you, I want la. All that time. Oh, you get what I'm trying to say, 'cause to you I'm an open book. Oh.
What I like about this style, it's quick, easy, and cute.
Got the hungry look, but it's hard to say all the things I want to, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close.
Do not forget to give me a thumbs up for this video if you like it, and share this video to who you think might need it.
I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you. Yeah. When I think about you, I feel la. When I think about you, I want la. Yeah. When I think about you, I feel la.
Love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.